It has only been a week and we have made a whopping of 102% over the account. Yeah, so hello traders, what a week this has been. It has only been a week and we have made a whopping of 102% over the account. Yeah, we did it. We just doubled the equity in just 1 week. Now, for those of you who don't know, I took this account a long back ago and it was on the verge of getting blown, and I was almost 9.8% in drawdown. The starting capital of the account was 1926, and since then, after trading for a week with discipline, pure price action, and only taking the trades when necessary and keeping the quantity and risk management in check, we were able to double the equity in just 1 week. So yeah, let's move on to the trades of the week. I'll show a recap of them. So primarily we took trades on GBP USD. I will just quickly go over them. The first trade was a short trade, which we took on the hourly continuation. We saw that the market was going bearish in the London session, and it was a very good bearish move. And I was expecting a continuation of that in the New York session as well. So yeah, uh, got a quick 1:3 right there. And the next day we had the same story. We saw that the markets were still bearish on the hourly, on the 4 hourly, and we were able to get this continuation of 3 minutes and quick 1:2 right there as well. Now, after the markets have been bearish for a few days, I saw that the markets were nearing a 4 hourly support and a daily support as well. So I did look for a buying opportunity, and I did get a buying opportunity, but I did not take the trade as I was not present on the computer at that point. And also, after the trade got over, I also saw that the stop loss for this trade was a bit larger than my usual stop losses. Initially, it was around here, but then after we saw a few candles, we could have traded it to here. So yeah, but I did not take the trade, and I guess I followed my discipline as well. Then we took a buy on GBP USD at all-time highs nearly. The markets were pushing bullish for nearly 2 to 3 days. Then, and I still took a buy, although I was not a big fan of this trade. We got our setup right there, and I did take a buy on this. We were very close to hitting our target, but the markets just reversed before we hit our target just by like 30 pips or so. Then moving on, we took a sell on Friday on Euro USD. This was a good trade, but Fridays are generally tricky for me. But we were able to manage this trade and got a quick 1:3 right there. I also took a small sell on US 30 in the middle of the week, especially the bearish move after the markets have been consolidating the whole day in the first on the 1st August. And as soon as the New York session opened, I saw that we could have taken this bearish move, and I did end up taking this, but it was on a very small quantity, and we just made of like $2 for out of this trade. So yeah, those were the trades for the week. There are also some more missed opportunities on gold. We did miss these two trades on gold. This was the bullish trade after it took support on a 4 hourly time frame. It swept the liquidity of this low and moved bullish. This one was something that we missed, and also this one is something that we missed. So yeah, those were the trades of the week. And my favorite trade was the Euro USD one on the Friday. It was a very smooth trade. I did not expect it to go that smooth, but here we are. Yeah, so that is the wrap for our weekly update. But if you want to understand how I trade, how the markets work, how I do a pre-trade analysis and how I do a post-trade analysis, for all this, make sure you join our Telegram and Discord community. After we reach a certain amount of members, we will be posting educational content as well, how we take trades, how you should take trades, how you should manage your risk, and all of that. So I urge you to join those channels and stay tuned for the next week. I hope we have a great week. I hope you have a great week. Yeah, so let's go.